everyone, welcome to Chanel Cruise 23 from Paris. Welcome back everyone to Channeling Luxury. I think this is video 6 of Cruise 23, but this is video 1 in Europe. Extremely different pieces than in the US. Here's a black cardigan. You saw me try the white on. Here is a red leather jacket. Very much like the Balmain, but more expensive. Here is the jacket many of you have been waiting for. So I have a 36 and a 38 to try and show you how it fits. Here is the halter top that matches the cardigan. There's a long and short of these. Here's a little card holder, 19 card holder. 2 sweaters. Both of these are cardigans. This one feels like a bathrobe, but feels nice. We'll give it a try. And then I will show you one of the many awaited jumpsuits. Here is the tag for it. Ruffly skirt. Cardigan. Here's a long pencil skirt. Has a kind of a neoprene feel to it. Here's a pair of shorts. Skirt that matches a top that I purchased. I think it was in video 5. Very sparkly. Open in the back. No, this one's not open. Sorry. Confusing it with another one. By the way, you may notice that the prices are the same as in the US. They did price level. So if you're looking for a bargain, it's a little bit less, but not much. Open in the back, and here's the tag with the price. You saw me in video 1 try on the black version of this. This is the white. This one let me show you the tag for this. This one I've been dying to try. It's a jumpsuit, and here's the price. Tube dress. Jacket. And the black coat. Black leather. So I will be adding more. So if you watch all the way to the end, I will be adding more pieces. This is just what they brought in at first. This is a day before the launch. And here in Europe, which is actually a week and a half after the US, if you can believe it. And yeah, so I'll be trying these on and let's enjoy. Okay, so first things first, it's 100% calf skin. It's tied under the arms, so it is running small there. It does not have a way to close it, so it is an open jacket, and it's also a little bit cropped. You can see the back. I think it's a super sexy piece, and it feels good other than under the arms. Also at the neckline is a little bit irritating. You can see how tight it is up against the neck. So I think it's a beautiful color. Maybe poor execution. Maybe I just need a little bit bigger size. But I will see if they have a 38 that I can give a shot. Okay, now the next one. Okay, a little bit of a girly take on the racing thing. This is a 36. It's 100% silk, but it has some thickness to it. So I don't want to be misleading and tell you it's a silk jacket that's, you know, sleek and silky. It feels silky, but it has some weight to it. Really awesome pockets. They're great for travel because the buttons will secure your stuff. Pulls in at the waist. This is a 36 and it feels good, so I think it's the right size. All the way down at the back and all the way at the front. So if you were to tie this, give it a little bit more shape, I think you'd have a super cute piece. Now, I will tell you this, it does feel heavy for spring. So for those of you that are looking for this for spring, since this is cruise, this might be a little bit heavy, but I think this piece is really cute. I have to just weigh, as we all have to do, cost versus its benefit, but I think it looks really nice. And I'll move on to the next one. I won't even try the 38. Those of you that know me know I'm at 36, 38, usually 38 in the top, and this 36 runs, it's running a little bit big. I'll just say that, it's running a little bit big. So if you're between sizes, I would go down And if you're true to size, maybe stay true to size. Also depends what you're going to wear with it. But I like the elastic cuffs, and the fit is really nice. Like, it doesn't need to be altered to be able to be worn. And I think it looks cute. Like, I have Wolford leggings on. I think it looks really cute with that. Okay, next piece. Okay, so I love this. It's a 38. It's cotton and polyamide, polyester, sorry, cotton and polyester. The only thing is it's tight, and it's a 38. So I think it's a 38. Yes, it's a 38. So I would need to go to a 40 to get this to fit, and to fit well. I think it looks nice in the back. I think I just need to go to the gym. So, but anyway, I think it's very cute. And I'll try it on with the blazer, not the blazer, but the cardigan. See how it looks? Okay, so here's the cardigan. In video 2, you saw me try this in the white color. I think that this is a little too holiday-ish for me. The black looks very cool, but too holiday. So, and also I think with my skin tone, the white looks better. But here's what it looks like. And the 36 is better than the 38 for me, which I had tried in the other video. So now I'll try something else. All right, so this is the 36 of that sweater I had found in video 2 that I really liked. I do still like it a lot. I'm gonna pair it down. I'm gonna dress it down with jeans or denim shorts. And that's what it looks like in the back. Definitely if you're 36, 38 or 42, 40, go down a size is my recommendation. So I'm gonna try the cardigan now, which I didn't try in the prior video. I'm just trying this one for size so you can see. And I'll try that next. Okay, here's the cardigan version. A couple of you mentioned that you liked this version more. For me, it's very comfortable, but it's a little more dressy, and it's going to be hard to dress down. So I'm going to stick with the shorter crop version. But for those of you that like the cardigan, here it is. Okay, on to the next piece. There's a lot to go through. Okay, viscose, polyamide, and elastane. It is very comfortable. You can see because I think it's a casino chip. Here, zippered pockets here, back. So here you can take a look at the detailing here. It has some dark blue. I think it's a very wearable, versatile piece. I just don't think it's like all that wow, to my opinion. This is a 38, and it does fit nicely. It's a little bit big, but that's how I would want it. And you can see from here the length of it. I'm 5'4" for reference. And here's the back. So if you're looking for this piece, they do have it, but you're gonna pay because it's quite an expensive piece, as you saw from the introduction. But it is pretty cute, and I really like the blue. That's my favorite part of this. Next one. Okay, this is up a size in the leather jacket. So it's a 38. The red is a 36. Again, it has no way to close it. That's fine. It fits much better under the shoulder, but it still doesn't feel good right here. You can see how it's piercing, puncturing, doing something we don't like. So, you know, I think if you kept your arms way open without revealing too much here, you would be in good shape. But to me, it's just not versatile enough. It does have a black stripe here. So for those of you looking for it, this is what it looks like. Okay, so if you saw my video 1, you saw me wearing this in black with gold. This is white with silver, and this is a bigger size. It's a 38. I would need to go down to a 36. The question is, which one's better, the black and gold or the white? So the fashion advisor said for blonde hair, light skin, white. The black one's pretty cool too, but here's what the white looks like. Same gold detailing, just not quite as intense because the collar and the sleeve are in silver and not in bright gold. So here's this one. Okay, so here is this top. So remember the video 2 cruise had the little patch on it, and I said it was a 38, and I said it was really tight in the arm. This is fitting exactly the same way. Cute in the back, open back, but way too tight here. And this is a 38. So she's gonna bring in a 40 if she can find it. I'll try it, see if it helps with this, but it might be too large in the body at that point. This is already kind of baggy. On to the next one. Okay, so I'm not even going to attempt to button this in the back. Way too scratchy. It's a 36. It's not the size, so it has cool pockets here. It's not the size, it's the fabric. It does not feel good. So it's cotton and polyamide and elastane and some other things, but it has no stretch, ironically. And it just feels quite painful, to be honest. So, no. Next one. Okay, so this is polyester and elastane. I think it's very pretty, bright. It's like a light peach color. Here's the back. I just think for, what was it, 5,000 something, 4,000, it lacks the wow factor. I mean, yeah, it's shiny, but it's tight here. Overall, doesn't feel that great inside. It's nicely lined, but I think for the price, we can get a lot better. That's just my opinion. Here's what the back looks like. And as always, I'd love to know what you all think. So I'll finish trying these. And then before I leave Paris, there will definitely be a video too. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, so more shortly. Here's the skirt. Not a big fan. It's comfortable. It's a blend of cotton, polyamide, polyester, elastane. Just not a big fan of it. The same with the tank. I think it looks very cute, but is it like so wow, we need to spend a lot of money on it? Not in my opinion. Here's the back. And I didn't show you the tag for this before, so here it is now, in case you're looking for it. Just sort of an okay piece, in my opinion. Here's the play suit slash romper, short set, whatever you want to call it, onesie. Here's what it looks like in the back. 100% cotton. Supposed to be a short racing suit style, inspired style piece. I like it. Will I wear it? It does feel like a onesie. It feels like pajamas. So for me, it's a no, but you can see how it fits. And this is a 38. Sadly, this is one of the pieces I was most looking forward to, but I think it's not a good piece for me. On to the next. All right, so here are the boxing shorts. That's what I call them. These were 38, I believe. Yes. I'm finding out if they have another color, which we'll see. But I like the pockets. I like that they're stretchy. Yay. 2 thumbs up for stretchy. Yeah, so I think they're pretty cool, but we'll see what other colors they have. Oh, so you did not see this tank. She brought it in after. It's one of the least costly pieces I've seen here in a while. Here's the tag for it, and it's 1,300 euros. It's kind of a little bit big, actually, but very simple, casual, soft tank top that I think is pretty nice. All right, next. Okay, now the racing suit. So I have been in an actual racing suit in Dubai. This wasn't much, yeah, hear me out of breath. This was not much easier to get into than that, I swear. So here's what it looks like. I know many of you have been asking about this. I'm gonna move the camera away from me so you can get a better shot. My impressions, too big, too bulky, too expensive, not very practical. I need to be 6 feet tall to pull it off. But I'll show you the details for those of you looking for it. And nice long pockets, or I do like that. Comfortable pockets. The fabric itself is quite uncomfortable, scratchy, doesn't feel very good. I think just the pants alone probably would have been cute, but the whole thing together is, to me, it's overwhelming. It's just too much. I did see it on the runway, and you know, I saw it on a 6'2" model. It looked great on me. No. And she was carrying a helmet, by the way. So there are 2 skirts. I'll show you. I cannot get these off the hanger. So there is a chance that I will not be trying these, but I did want to show you what they look like in person. I think this one's going to be too much of a flare anyway. And this one, the fabric's just too annoyingly thick, especially without like a decent slit down the back. Having a really hard time getting it off this thing without breaking this, and that happens sometimes, and they'll do something in the back and bring it back, but if that happens, I want you to at least be able to see them. So I have 1 more jumpsuit, 1 dress, and 1 jacket, and then video 1 23C Paris edition will be wrapped up, and then I'll post video 2 as soon as I can. Almost done, not yet. Okay, so this jumpsuit It's got something weird going on here, but it's much easier to wear than the one with all the sequins. Feels nice, combination of fabrics, cotton, viscose, elastane, some silk. Here's what it looks like from the back, from the bottom. It's much cuter. It has some weird issue. I'll have to take a look at what it might be. It feels nice here. The only button that feels tight is this one in the waist. The rest of it feels good. The crotch is in the right spot. It's a 38. So here's the color. For those of you interested, it is pricey. It's 9,800 euro, I think. Really expensive for a jumpsuit. But here it is for those of you looking. So one more dress, one jacket, and then we'll be wrapped up. Okay, this one is also a blend, polyester, wool, and cotton. This is one of the ones I was most interested in from the Runway. In person, I'm not a fan. I don't like how boxy it looks here. And it's big in the chest, but when you go to tighten it, it's too tight in the chest. So it's hard to explain, but it's like big here and too tight in the back. Because of those reasons, I will pass, but I was excited about it. Unfortunately, I'm not now. But for those of you looking, here is what it looks like. And there is a little jacket, which I'll show you. So here's the jacket. Actually, I like the jacket itself. Here's how it looks, just by itself without the dress. So I'm gonna try this on separately, this jacket, again at some time. And I think that's it for video 1, Paris 23C Cruise 2023, ready to wear. But I will record a video 2, and this video is just getting way too long, so I'll record a video 2, and let me know what your favorite pieces are. I know many of you are skipping the cruise collection this year, whether it's race cars or the fit or the size or how tight things are, how funky they fit, the race car theme. Many of you are skipping cruise, but if you've seen any pieces that you like, I'd love to know. And thank you for watching, and if you enjoy my content, I would love it if you would subscribe. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think I were like at 18, 17 when I filmed this, so thank you for your support, and thank you for watching.